What's up guys, Alec here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you the best Instagram analytics tool. And this is my opinion, but I really do think that this tool is amazing. You get insights on everything from your daily growth, the reach for each post, the reach you've had in the past week. You even get insights on all of your hashtags. These are in-depth insights. You can actually see what hashtags ranked for your posts, so that way you know what hashtags to use again, things like that. So that's what I'm going to be showing you, my favorite and what I think to be one of the best Instagram analytics tools. Now I do want to say straight away that this tool isn't free. I've mentioned it a few times on my channel before, but I think it is really good. I did make a video a few months ago which was about Ninjalytics, but Ninjalytics is more of an analytics tool which allows you to find out the growth of other pages. But this tool, which is called Flick, is more of a tool which allows you to see real in-depth insights about your own accounts that you have to connect up to the app. So the way you do it, first of all, is you have to have a creator or a business account and connect them through Facebook. So I'm just going to show you real quick here. If I go into Manage IG Accounts, as you can see, I'm just going to click Reload, and they're all linked up through Facebook. So I am just going to be showing you the analytics suite of the Flick app today. So that's all I'm going to be doing. So you can have the analytics for all of your different accounts, but today I'm going to be showing you as well the analytics for my bedroom goals, because it has more recent and active insights, which is going to be more interesting for you guys. So first of all, you have the overview of your account. Now I have selected for the past week, but you can do longer than that, so it really is pretty cool. You can do last 7 days, last 14 days, last 30 days, but we're just going to choose for the last 7 days. So as you can see, for the last 7 days, first of all, you can see the growth change that you've had. You can see the amount of people you've reached in the last 7 days, the number of profile visits you've got, and the amount of posts you made. So I know these are insights that you can get straight from with your Instagram app, but something I love about this is that you can set it to, let's say, the past 30 days, which is absolutely awesome. Up next, we have insights about our latest posts, so it's really nice to quickly just see about it. Then we have the post performance. So here you can actually see that when your hashtags rank, these hashtags will show up right here. Then you have this nice graph about your daily growth, the amount of followers you gained, the amount of followers you lost, and then the daily growth. You can also got this cool slider, which allows you to focus on one specific day, for an example. Then next, below this, we have the audience activity. This shows us when our audience is most active. Again, this is just an overview. You can see more, and then it will take you over to the audience tab. Up next, we have reach and impressions. So again, you guys know what this is. The impressions is the number of times your content is seen, and the reach is the number of unique accounts that have seen your content. So you can get multiple impressions from one person, but only one reach from one person. And then again, you've got this slider graph, and you can set it to the bar graph as well. And then profile activity. This is the amount of profile visits you got on your account. But here we don't have any email clicks or website clicks due to the fact that I don't have an email or a website on this account. So next, I'm going to be going over to, let's just go to audience first. Here you can see what times on what days your followers are most active. You'll soon be able to set it to your local time. So if we just take a look, as you can see on Monday, most active between 8 and 10 a.m. As you can see, every time my followers are the most active on the page, either between 8 and 10 a.m. or 10 and 12 a.m. So this is a really cool feature, so you kind of know when to post if you're only posting maybe one time a day. And then for an example, if you just hover over it, you can see that from 10 to 11 a.m., 113,000 of my followers were active. And then from 11 a.m. to 12 a.m., 112,000 of my followers were active. During these 2 hours, there were a total of 225,000 of my followers that were active on Instagram at some point. And then of course you can go to other times, and as you can see in the evenings, this is when my followers are the least active, or like really late at night, my followers are least active. Next, we have top countries. I love this because you actually get 10 rather than the Instagram app, you actually only get 5. So this is awesome. You can see what the next countries are, because in the Instagram app I could only see United States, United Kingdom, India, Brazil, and Indonesia. Now I know that Mexico, Germany, Malaysia, France, and Egypt are the next 5. And you can also see the amount of followers from those specific countries. Then of course, top cities, again you get 10, and then top languages. Here, this is cool, you also get 10, so obviously English is going to be the biggest amount. And then if you go all the way down to the bottom, you have the age and gender. So as you can see, most of my followers are between 25 and 34 years old, and they are female. So this again, you can get this data straight from within the Instagram app if you have a creator account, but I just think that this data here is better due to the fact that, first of all, I like this layout about the audience activity. Instagram doesn't display it as well, and then also you get more data when it comes to the top countries. Next, we're going to go to content. So here, this is the most recent content you posted, and as you can see, you've got reach, impressions, likes, comments, saves. It automatically calculates the engagement rate of that post for you, and then you have something called ranked hashtags. So let's just say if we go down to this post here, as you can see, I've got 20 out of 28 hashtags that have ranked. So if we take a look, all of these hashtags right here, they ranked in the top 9 posts for that hashtag. And from this post ranking for all of these hashtags, as you can see, this post performed well. It got a reach of 77,000, and these hashtags are most likely one of the reasons why this post did very well. These hashtags ranked because the content was good, and when it ranked, it helped it rank for more hashtags, so it got more reach. So this is data that I absolutely love. I think these analytics are really important to know what helps you grow on Instagram. It really helps you when it comes to planning out your hashtag strategy. If you are doing in-depth hashtag research, I've made a couple of videos on it before. I highly recommend using the hashtag tool Flick. And again, if we just click on hashtags, go into insights, we can see what hashtags we have ranked for. So you can see out of the 146 unique hashtags that I've used since the 25th of March, I have ranked for 41 of these hashtags. Now, if you're doing a hashtag strategy, this data is going to help you basically see what hashtags work, and then you're going to start using the same hashtags on your following posts. So just for an example, I've got these 18 hashtags, which are the top performing. So if I just click on show me the data, I then have all of this data about these hashtags. I can see how many times I have used fairy lights, for example, how many times I've used hashtag my bedroom, how many times cozy home decor. You can see the average best rank. For an example, if we see this one here, this one ranks 4th, this one ranks 5th. If we take a look, this is hashtag bedroom and then a hashtag bed goals. So these are 2 really good hashtags for me that I know, thanks to this data, that I'm going to keep on using. And then obviously you can see the data for the hashtag. You can see how many posts that hashtag has and then the average likes. But this data isn't relevant to your actual account. And then finally, if you want, you can click on reports, and here you can just quickly and easily generate reports. Now, I absolutely love this data. I think Flick has brought out an amazing analytics tool. It does cost money, but if you're just trying to see how many followers you've been growing every single day, for example, we can just go to Ninjalytics, which I do recommend if you're not trying to spend anything at all. It does give you your daily growth. You've got the graph, and if you scroll down, you've got a few little things like that. But I guess where Flick takes the cake is when it comes to the data you get on the hashtags, because this data is just really, really, really good. That is what I think to be one of the best Instagram analytics tools of 2020, and I'm sure they're going to be coming out with more features in the future. There is going to be the link in the description. It is an affiliate link, and if you do use that link, I'll be very grateful, due to the fact that I receive a very small commission at no extra cost to you. So if you are thinking about signing up to Flick, I would definitely recommend it. That being said, if you have any questions, I would love to answer them down in the comment section below. If you found this video helpful or you enjoyed it whatsoever, please hit the like button, and if you want to see more, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.